In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add course content on Whop quickly and easily. Whether you're an educator, a content creator, or a business professional, understanding how to tailor and share your knowledge on Whop can significantly enhance your reach and impact. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Whop account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Learn tab. This is going to be your central hub for course creation and management. After you're in the Learn tab, look for the option to add a new app. You'll want to click on this, then search specifically for courses. Once you've found it, go ahead and add it to your workspace. Make sure you set the necessary details during this step. After everything looks good, click on Create to establish your course framework. Now that you have a structure to work from, you'll see an option to Begin Setup. This is where you'll start adding the foundational elements of your course. Begin by entering a compelling course title. Don't forget a catchy tagline and a comprehensive description to really draw your audience in and give them a clear idea of what they can expect from your course. Building the framework for your course involves adding chapters and lessons. You can easily do this by clicking on plus new chapter to start organizing your content. Under each chapter, use plus new lesson to add the specific lessons you plan to teach. It's a straightforward process that helps create a coherent and organized course layout for your learners. As you develop your lessons, you'll have the option to choose from various lesson types. Whether you're planning to upload videos, share text content, PDFs, or even quizzes, Whop offers a versatile platform that accommodates different instructional styles. Go ahead and upload your content according to what best fits each lesson plan. Once your content is uploaded, you have the flexibility to fine-tune the structure by reordering, renaming, or even deleting chapters and lessons as needed. It's essential to make sure everything flows logically and is easy to understand for your users. To enhance the learning experience, consider setting optional features like drip content, which releases material gradually over time, or providing certificates upon course completion. These features can greatly enhance user engagement and satisfaction. After you've reviewed your course content and feel confident it's ready, change the visibility setting to visible. This will make your course accessible to your audience. Lastly, before fully launching, use the preview as user option to step into your learner's shoes and ensure everything looks perfect from their perspective. And there you go. In just a few simple steps, your course is ready to be shared with the world. Follow these instructions to start educating and inspiring on Whop. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.